Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the simple Simon bend. The video you're watching is a part of the curriculum at Knotskool. I hope you enjoy it. The simple Simon bend is a type of knot known as a bend, which means it's used to join two ropes together. Dr. Harry Asher developed this knot, and it was first published in 1989. It does not have any alternative names. Structurally, the sheep bend was the starting point for the development of the simple Simon bend. To tie the simple Simon bend, you begin by forming a bight with your first rope. Pass the working end of the other rope through the bight. Wrap it around both ropes. Pass it through the bight, and then tighten the knot. When it comes to performance with different materials, the simple Simon bend is known for holding well, even with slippery synthetic ropes. You can find the simple Simon bend in use in a lot of different applications, including in climbing, marine, camping, and can be used around the home and garden. The dangers associated with the simple Simon bend are that it can slip if the knot is not dressed and cinched up tight. The simple Simon bend does not exist in the Ashley Book of Knots.